Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. So it's about 11:30. I haven't had a chance to make a video, so I wanted to sit down to make sure I hash this one out. This is all from the hip. I didn't prepare any, witty things to say. But I will tell you that I spent the weekend, or just Saturday, actually using the product. Found a few places to improve, so I made sure I improved them. But primarily, this is an awesome tool. I had a chat with my wife and tried to decide what my first application was going to be with Nimble. It was going to be a mobile app. I knew that. But then we decided that I should just build a chat application. Slack is pretty popular. I don't really like it that much, but it's pretty popular, so I figured I might as well take my chances at building a chat app. It's pretty simple, passing messages back and forth. Might even add some encryption or some blockchain technique to it. But overall, that's what I decided. So I spent about 6 hours, maybe a day, let's say a day, playing with the Nimble Scratchpad. What I learned from using it is that I probably will change this dialog to be just a surface and not one with a border. It makes for justifications, and when you lay out a tool or lay out a widget, you don't have to worry about even thinking about the border size when you're thinking about your target that the widget's going to be on. So I'll probably make that addition or adjustment this week. But overall, if you just take a look, I was able to build just about all of the widgets that I need for my chat application. It'll be called Nimble Connect. And I was able to just hash these things out. They're not fully polished, but a couple of them are a little bit more styling than others. The login and registration widget is pretty bare bones because you don't necessarily, you will end up styling those widgets for whatever app you're working on, and they're going to be reusable. I'm going with a bluish, royal blue and slate blue coloring for the design. Nothing is set in concrete yet, but I was going along those lines when I started laying out these widgets. So let me just give you a quick overview on what it's like to use these widgets. We go to the toolbox. We'll just bring in a surface. We'll set the display size to an Android. And then let's say we'll bring in the newsfeed. And this is not a real design. I'm just going to give you an idea. One of the things I noticed, as I said, I should probably make the Scratchpad a surface because the bordering will offset the size or your target size when you're dealing with mobile apps. So this would be the target where all of your newsfeed information would appear. When you click on the plus button, you would be able to add a new message or a chat message. So this editor, which would be CK editor, would pop up near the bottom or maybe at the top, and then your mobile keyboard would of course automatically display, and then you would type in your message and click send, and then it would shoot to the server and you would be chatting and messages go to and from to the back end. So I was able to build all of these really cool components one by one, and I did take some time to hook them together. This, I'm just going to give you one, would be my title widget that would display, I guess at the time it starts up, colors of course not going to be black, but the just an image, an icon, and maybe by Tyrone Lee, built with Nimble, whatever, just to let people know what the application is. So a title, login, registration, a menu system, the news feed, the editor, the background, going with a royal blue background, something like that. All of these widgets were designed in about a day, let's say. But it was fun playing around with this tool, and just really using it for what it was meant for. So I'm going to give you a look at the final prototype of Nimble Connect. This is the side menu. As I said, the news feed, and you can see the background. Everything is Z-ordered properly. If I press F2, we can disable the clipping, and then you can see all the components. The goal of this is now that I'm in the view state mode, I can reorder any of these components and take a snapshot. So I can have I can get that guy out of here, and I don't need this guy. And then I can just bring the title in, take a snapshot, and that will be the title view. I can remove that and bring in the login panel, and that will be your login view. So one by one, lay out all the components where they're supposed to be, take a snapshot, and then I can call up the snapshot in any order or in any view that I want, so that I have a single page mobile app, and I can totally control the order in which the components and widgets are displayed based on each event. Just wanted to give you a look at how easy it is to organize your mobile application using Nimble. It is truly getting more and more fun the more I use this tool. The Nimble solution, version 5.0, code complete, and now it's time to execute. Thank you for watching.